Light bends, balance mends. What does it mean?
We've got to figure it out before it's too late. You two are too slow. Let me show you how it is done. Mika, stop! You will bring the whole place down!
Hold it steady, Ari. I'm going for the leap. I've got it. Just don't look down.
Help! I cannot hold on! We have got you. Just stay still. We did it! The flood is stopping!
All right, maybe you two aren't so bad after all.
Storm fades as the trio reflects on teamwork.
Teamwork saved the day.
See you next time, everyone.